Now we come to the last and hardest practical part of this section, which is implementing the rest of the buy token logic. And if you go to the exchange, then you can see that when you go to buy token, obviously we can post limit orders here, but we cannot post market orders yet. Right now it's just throwing an exception. And if you go back to the previous lectures where we were writing the code for the sell token market orders, you basically can follow this code, but you have to invert it. Obviously, that it starts from the cheapest sell offer and goes to the more expensive one. Please mind the events, that it's emitting the right events. And also please mind that the right balance is deducted from the person who wants to actually buy tokens. Now, to make your life easier, we also provide a test for that. And the test is basically the same as the trading extended sell token test that we were using in the previous lecture, just this time with buy tokens. And to guide you through the test first, before we actually run the test, we have this before function. We are depositing some ether, free ether, into our exchange from our first account. Then we add the token, and then we actually fund our second account's balance in the exchange with 2000 fixed tokens. Now in the second account we have 2000 tokens, and in the first account we have free ether. Now obviously we try to trade a little bit, and we are trying to trade. First we try to sell fixed tokens, 5 fixed tokens for 2 Fini from our second account. Now there is absolutely no offer yet, and this will be our first offer. And in this case, our sell order book will have one entry. First we are checking the events, and then we are calling the sell order book, and our order book should have one sell offer now. It's a sell offer, it's not a buy offer. Let me just quickly fix that. And also our order book should have a volume of 5 coins that somebody wants to sell. In this case, our second account. And now our first account goes ahead and buys token for 3 Fini, which is more than the offer from our second account. And they also want to buy 5 tokens. And here we have the market order, immediate order execution situation, where order should be executed. And in this case, we are then checking the events. We are making sure that the sell order book is 0, and also the buy order book is 0. With this, you should be able to check if your logic is working more or less correctly. Obviously, this is just the beginning of the testing. If you really want to make thorough testing, you should write a lot more tests, and you should check really every situation and every kind of a situation where it gets tricky, and make sure that also in the future, if you change your logic, if you add more features, or if you do something else, you can always run these tests. And once they're written, it makes it very, very easy to verify that your logic is still working. So our course gives you a sneak peek of what is possible with the tests and how to write them. But now it's up to you, obviously, to finish those tests, or even in your own contracts, use them in a very thorough manner. You should spend more time on tests than actually writing code. Having that said, now in the assignment, go to the Exchange Solidity file and finish the buy token function.